Hey guys, welcome to kbtutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to see how we can install Go programming language and how we can execute our first program in Go programming language. So how we can install it? Simple. Official website for Go programming is golang.org. So open that golang.org. Open this. Once you open this, there's an option for download Go. So click on this, and here with a different OS you could see different support is there. So for Windows I'm clicking on this Windows installer, so it will get downloaded. Okay, so this is how it will get downloaded. So once you download this, if you double click it, it will start installing in your machine. There is nothing you can do. Actually it's a very simple, just need to give next, it will get installed. Okay, once you get installed, there is a folder will get created here like this. Then just open the command prompt and type go version. That means you are seeing the what version of Go that is installed in your machine. Okay, after this I want to start my developing the Go programming language. Okay, sorry for that. I prefer is like just create one folder where you will keep all your codes. So I have created one folder like Go language. Here you can keep all your source code. So just open notepad here, and we'll start writing our first program in Go programming language. So first line is import your main package. This is where all your code will start executing. The main block will be there. That is where by default Go programming will start executing. For that you need to import your main package. Package is nothing but set of functions here. Then import FMT. FMT is a package which comes by default. That means when we have installed previously, there it will come by default. Okay. After FMD, this will have all the printing related functions. It will have. Okay. If then, as I said, main is our first by default starting point of execution for Go programming language. So they'll define like function main. This is like func main, like this. And where you have all the printing will be available in FMT package. So use that print ln. Okay, hello world. Simple. Save it as .go. So hello world go dot go. Okay, so here the file extension is .go. As you can see, this is a file. In the top just type cmd so that you will go and open the command prompt in that particular folder. Okay, then in order to execute, go run, give your file name. So this is my file name. Click enter. Now you could see we have printed successfully. Okay, and if you want to see what all are available, now you could see these are the things. This is a help. Go help is your helping what I can say, helping tool here. Just like Linux having man pages, Go you can use help here. Okay, and all these were coming by default. Okay, then let me give something like, go help packages. packages. Now you could see all the things about the package will come here. It's very useful also. uh, we'll explore slowly about these features in other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.